Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download training dashboards from Tallo for LinkedIn verification. Easy to begin, open your web browser and go to the Tallo website. Log into your Tallo account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard section on the main menu. Look for the specific training dashboard you want to download. Click on the dashboard to open it. In the dashboard view, locate the download or export option. This option may be represented by a download icon or listed in a menu. Select the appropriate format for your download, typically PDF or Excel. Confirm your selection, and the system will start processing your request. Once the download is complete, check your downloads folder for the file. If necessary, rename the file for easier identification. Now, open LinkedIn in a new tab or window. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Profile section. Click on the Add Profile section button. Choose the option to add certifications or achievements. Select the File option to upload your downloaded dashboard. Follow the prompts to complete the upload process. Additionally, provide any required information related to the dashboard, like description or dates. Once everything looks good, click Save or Done to finalize the addition. Your Tallo training dashboard is now linked for verification on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.